Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. Continuing with our series on Focus Third, today we'll focus on 4 words: found, far, feet, friend. So the first word is found. F-O-U-N-D, found. Found out, have found. Lost and found. Kangaroo is found in Australia. Lost time is never found again. It means spend your time wisely. Don't waste your time. When Sia returned home, she found the door locked. Ria, did you find your watch? Yes, I found it. And do you know, while walking on the road, I found a 500 rupee note. Do you know who found PUBG? PUBG was founded by Brandon Green. Do you know the full form of PUBG? It is Player Unknown's Battlegrounds. The second word is far. How far? Too far. Not too far. How far is Pintu's house from here? His house is not far from here. It's at the end of this road. It's not too far to walk. Is the station nearby from Pintu's house? The station is far from there, or it's too far to walk from Pintu's house. You will have to take an auto. How far away is the airport from here? It's 30 minutes drive from our home. Answer this question. What's heavier, gold or water? Obviously, gold is far heavier than water. The third word is feet. I'm 5 feet 7 inches tall. If you want your children to keep their feet on the ground, put some responsibility on their shoulders. Tina always walks around bare feet in the grass. After a long hike, Tina had swollen feet. How's your feet, Tina? It's quite fine. I put my feet in warm water with some rock salt. I wiped my feet dry and massaged it with herbal oil. Now it's much better. The fourth word is friend. Who is your best friend? A person with whom you can talk to about anything on this earth? There are different types of friends. Best friends forever, buddy, close friends, childhood friends, family friend. So what do you mean by buddy? Buddy is a very good friend. Close friends are inner circle friends. Family friends share good relations with you and your family. A good friend knows all your best stories, but a best friend has lived them with you. So that's all in today's lesson. Meet you in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Thank you for being my inspiration.